Hello friends, welcome to this comprehensive course of AutoCAD. This course is designed from basic level to advanced level. The interface of the AutoCAD has been explained clearly, and each and every tool and command in the AutoCAD has been explained with examples. This course is mainly used for all the civil engineering students or working professionals, or whoever is willing to learn AutoCAD software, or whoever is willing to design their own home, and the person who is ready to start their career as a draftsman. This course is mainly focused on the real-time project. A practical real-time project has been taken, starting from Vastu Sastra, how you can draw the floor plan, how you can draw the staircase plan and sections, and placing of doors and windows, placing of furniture and sanitary items, placing of water tank, dimensioning the plan, how you can make the elevations, front elevations and side elevations, everything explained with the real-time project. In addition to this, structural drawings also explained clearly. Let's look into the overall view of the course. It starts with the getting familiar with AutoCAD. What are all the settings in AutoCAD we have to do, and AutoCAD coordinate system, drawing creation tool. In each and every section, wherever is required, the resource files are provided. If you click on the resources, see DWG, drawing file, AutoCAD drawing files are provided. The AutoCAD file has been saved as in the lower version of 2007. So even if you use 2010 or 2008 version of AutoCAD, this file will work for you. Drawing creation tool, how you can create a drawing by using all the drawing creation tools, and modify toolbar. All the modify toolbars has been explained. If you take architectural plan, this is the real-time project. All the resources has been given in the resource tab. You can just click on this and download the file. Elevation, layout setting and printing, how you can set the layout and print the sheet. I hope this will be a complete course for the students who are starting from basics, and also it will be useful for the working professionals who wants to upskill their knowledge. I have included the quizzes, quiz 1, quiz 2 and quiz 3. So after learning the command, you can just solve these quizzes. It will be very helpful to you. In addition to the resources, I have added AutoCAD shortcut keys, quizzes and AutoCAD interview questions and answers. If you feel the video is bit faster or bit slower, you can increase the speed or decrease the speed by using this playback rate. And once you complete the course, you will be getting the course completion certificate from Udemy. So what are you waiting for? Just enroll in the course and develop your skills. The course cannot be complete without Q&A session. There is a separate Q&A section is available where you can post your queries, and I'm happy to help you. Let's get into the course, and I wish you all the very best and happy learning.